Hello, Roland from Fanatical Side Rider. I recently put on 300 kilometers playing in mud and water on this machine, and I put new brakes on this just 2 weeks ago. I changed the wheel bearings and I put I changed one wheel bearing on the left side, and I just did the right one today. But I put new brake pads on 2 weeks ago. And I was in the mud quite a bit, if you see my last video, my last ride. And look at this. I've been cleaning mud out of this for a few minutes now. And there's mud, there's weeds, there's everything in these brakes. It was all coated in here, inside the piston, and right here. So, I'm just saying, like, if you want your brakes to last, maybe it's a good idea to do regular maintenance like this. Like, if you could see in here right now, there's all kinds of crap. I'm going to take the air gun to this in a second here, but there's all kinds of dirt and mud and sand, and that's really hard on your brake pads and your rotors. So it's just a little friendly reminder to, you know, when you're spray washing these with the power washer or at the car wash, whatever, you can't get in all these little nook and crannies. So if you got time on your hands, like a good rainy day and you're not out riding, take it apart and get these brakes cleaned up once in a while. It's good regular maintenance, and it will save you money, because for 4 sets of brake pads, one set for each corner on this machine, is $122 on Amazon for the Trail D brakes. And you know, your rotors, I think that price the rotors, I saw one rotor was like $70 or $80 for just one rotor. So different, you know, your piston here, your caliper, you don't want to mess up your brakes. So do regular maintenance and try to keep them all clean. I'll show you the ground here and show you the dirt that come out of here. So there we go. I'll show you the ground really quick. The floor. See all that dirt? This is all dirt. There's a big chunk of mud over there. There's some mud underneath those paper towels. Like, that's all mud out of my brakes. So just a quick reminder to keep things clean when you got time. Grease everything. I'm going to take the cover off my belt box. I'm going to blow it out, because that dust in there gets built up over time and it'll cause your belt to slip. So I'm going to clean all that up as well. Just regular maintenance. Be ready for the next ride. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.